Asem ne de obeka na akira asem Mahama Ayariga asoma ye shepa akokasa enu awo parliament amana no akoyi kan asem kan Ghana for ene na be clàsh Afenyo Markin any other tiktokers abe clàsh with Mahama Ayariga ni nyina fa Boku nsensem asem ko gina Ghana parliament e ko kan me mu ahwe na wa kire wadwene ama e wo comment section aha Penyah block media meswa say ni dim obe like video no under my subscribe button so be click notification icon latest update na be kire wadwene de ama me e wo comment section meswa so baswa no achieve no plus enya bi ahwe enti meka choose na nsem Boku nsensem asa sorry gede we anu oshipa in fact how Boku issue no started 2025 in there enya asim kuma eni ayenyan na beta Boku ntawanto record started Ghana 1931 March 1931 ana Boku ntawanto started ye Akufo-Addo 1944 Boku ntokwa ne che Akufo-Addo 11 years what I say yawo Mahama nankasa 1958 Boku ntokwa ne che Mahama 27 years. Mahama Ayariga, yawo no 1974 kwa de usa. Oh, a small boy, 1974. Yawo ba umia 1963. Eje se Boku ntokwa ne de. Ghana mpanifo, nyini sini obi a he, che ubia. Kofo kra ma, kofo kra ntokwa ne che. Che ubia o Ghana asase. Panyini bi o Ghana bia de. Boku ntokwa ne nyini sini no. Na Boku ntokwa yi no. Ana beka se na nsin wasa ba trend ni mu. Anamon for fire Mahama Ayariga and his excellency the president because opposition omu blame Akufo and NPP government say omu na shase.
Listen, I'm not being political about this. But let's ask ourselves some basic questions. Okay? Why is it that these conflicts tend to happen most when NPP is in office? Have you asked yourself that?
I've not done a catalogue of.
Do a catalogue. Look, this conflict was resolved. There was total peace in Boku until December 2020. Are you getting the point? Mm-hmm. Take note of the date. December 2020.
As in the election period.
To be specific, 8th of December.
After the election.
8th of December 2020. Okay? And it raged on. And we worked and worked and worked and worked and worked. I mean, Kufuor was president. We managed
No, I mean, you mean 2000 or 2020 because...
sorry, 2000.
Yes,
sorry,
so
2000.
That's
2000.
Yeah.
2000. The 8th of December, 2000.
Yeah.
We worked and worked and worked. And by 2008, there was some, level of normalcy. And 2009, President Mills took over, if you recall, up to 2000.
Omo ezo sujegum eni ade ema na nsia mu Ghana for no ebeke kan bi che Mahama Ayariga ene his excellency na eno na anya Mahama Ayariga de eje no opana ko gina Ghana parliament ko gina honom no ene no so ebe wo so no ho pro ni minimum ene no so be fire NPP fo ni bi ese omunya de wo keka no Boku na sunbie wo Boku from 1984 ebe nyina until 2001 abere ko fo betina konwa so ana Boku ntokwan start bi 8 Mahama Ayariga tell say Kianeki eye NPP for na she Boku ntokwa na se.
We NDC government, we are not running away from Boku. Mr. Speaker, for those of you who have chosen to have a very short memory, Boku was a very peaceful place. From 1984 till 2001 when Kufuor took over as president. That is it. Those are the facts. Mr. Speaker, you don't know about Boku. Let me tell you about Boku. And you can go and check the records. If you want us to debate it, I can fix a date and we'll debate it and I'll give you the records. Mr. Speaker, the problem in Boku was caused under the NPP administration. Under the NPP administration. That is what happened. Once Akufo-Addo was president, he allowed somebody to be appointed as a rival chief in Boku, and that is the cause of the problem. And whilst Akufo-Addo was president, that rival chief was taken into Boku. That is the cause of the problem of Boku. And I am assuring you that President John Mahama will solve the Boku problem once and for all. Boku problem will be solved once and for all by John Mahama. We are not rushing. We don't want to be populist. We have confidence in the Asantehene, and we leave the matter in his hands. And I can assure you that Boku will be solved. Mr. Speaker, on that note, let me thank our friends in the minority. Why am I thanking them? They stayed away from the presentation of the mid-year budget. But they have come to debate the mid-year budget. So I thank them. Let me thank the majority, because we have been steadfast with the Minister of Finance, supported him, implemented all his policies, enacted all the legislation that has enabled the positive gains that we are seeing in the economy to inure to the benefit of ordinary Ghanaians. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I thank you very much.
Enwa danano Afenyo Markin clàsh no keka bitire no honomo a,
including spillover of Boku conflict that tragically claimed the lives of students in Nalerugu and Boku. Mr. Speaker, fortunately for us, the leader of the House is the MP from Boku, for Boku. I call on this House, let us avoid making this a partisan matter. Let us pray for peace in Boku. Let us reach out and encourage all stakeholders that have been given the mandate to mediate, to do their work. Let us guide our utterances and ensure that there is peace in that part of our country. Mr. Speaker, when peace is attained in Boku, it would have positive spiral effects on other areas in the country. Conflict in other countries starts in such manner, and with time, it just gets out of hand. We must not allow Boku to get out of hand, and I want to assure my respected colleague, the majority leader, that I will always remember him in my prayers. I can just relate to it. If it were my constituency, how would I even go there and all? As well as other constituencies in the Kusau area. I pray for peace for them, and I say that your colleagues in this House are here supporting you in prayers, and we believe that with concerted effort, our country would experience peace, and your people would also experience peace for development to take place there. Mr. Speaker, let me deal with the issue.
na monchimanka highway ne so TikTokers follow so Ayariga juma media na so.
Mahama Ayariga ne mami ye mampurusini ne papa ye kosasini. Okay, he is the best man to solve this problem. But because of politics, this man is not doing anything. He can't even go to his homeland. He's running away from his people. He is the best man to solve this problem. His mom is Mampurusi, his father is Kosasi. So he is related to both the tribes. But this man can't even bring peace in his homeland, and he want to be a leader in this country. Masa, we need free parliament, we permanent free parliament. And then call for him, sack them out away from parliament.
Mahama Ayariga, Jama, me say papa no, me say na dwen no, e ho atochima. Na dwen ho atochima pa, mo hwe no na mo hwe ni ye. Wo ade a wo de politics. Ade na wo de politics na no, ene abo a na wo power no. Wo ene wo da no ho be ka che me say, wo sere me ama me fa ye politics na ade no enya ade a este ye de politics. Sa Boku ntokwa we shase, yanka nkyere mo se enye politics na mo njan politics na mo de ye no. Akoye tete galamsey. Galamsey shase a mo model ye politics Penyah ka se galamsey. Enya de ye de ese ye de politics. Mo ntie ene hwe na galamsey aye. Ene hwe Boku ntokwa, hwe se ne agya so mo afa nipa wu basa. Ene wo sa nipa kwase awe. A obegina ho be ka se NPP fo na hye ntokwa we ase e de ye politics a no na ebo awo. E ma Boku moto aba ba omia nya wanimpo kwase na wo abegina wo be ka kire nsi enya de se ye de politics intima ye fa politics jama wa jimi unim nyansa wa bowo dam unim nyansa kwan bia mo be fa so a mo be so anu mo so anu ye de be ye politics ene e de politics ochina se na galamsey so ye de be ye politics ene ye de bibia mo won ade am kan tura mu try opposition niam ensese mo de politics na won se na no asoleti am won na no na asoleti am mo hu kwan am be fa so am be bu o man no apon etu ya mo ka kwase afo na mo be pa en chelse mo sere ya man fa in politics mo bowa ye de be politics kwase afo unim nyansa.
Mahama Ayariga, also NPP benefiting more from Russia-Ukraine war. The war also benefited from Boku ntokwa ekosuniti. You think say bibia about ntokwa bia and will be benefiting free so ho. Anka Boku ntokwa ekosui nipa kunkum oja hwiegu innocent people say ye ku omo wo ho. Omo ye adwuma wo ho asebi omu ntimi nkwa adwuma mpo wo ho. Anka woni the right person anka di obetimi asolve ni yepa because Mahama Ayariga, maami ye mamprusi ni, papa ye kusasi. Entinki ye pe wobi anka adi wenka obetimi achi Afenyo mienu ni nyina atena se ne omakasa anka ye wo. Nenso because of adi a wo campaign sema akoka wo nti. Ya tu abawie almost 8 months in ye wuntimi nko ukro mumpo. NPP ko thank you to one in person so achira wo Mahama Ayariga. Because of nsema wokoka during campaign time unti and then the parliament ko mo peja so mo beka Boku asema osimo mo be ye ne political way na ntokwa no wo ho dadaada you knew say ntokwa no wo ho dadaada na odi share people di share dot about me asese bi oba me na totuo e di mama mpusi for the be yesa abra na wa wunim say asem na wo ka na enye no kre ekura nka o ma me free so ekura papa free so de nka accident na se hwem ye hwie moja agusei ultimate na se ye hwie moja agusei na won krofo yes o mo beka mo asem aso mo nka nipa bi say ye de wakoye majority leader wo antokwa moja hwiegu ye wo de ntokwa ekoso wo krom na ye wo de se ye kunkum nipa wakoye majority leader yi se ntokwa bi na eba so wo Ghana kora on fa ho because ekura wo yefunu hye wo afuru ma hye ho kora ye kuma manfo ho on fa ho enti no the world see benefited from tokwa nti wo fi se sa na tie wo ho enye de ehia ni o NPP bia ye to abawie NPP bia koni krom akoni mpeso waso wotu wo manti bia ye tua aka Boku nti ye tua aka because Boku fo ne to abama o enti ko honom na koye de ese na fata ko ho na MP adwuma no koye wo ho because MP bia koni krom enye parliament nkwa na ye tena kasa bebebebebe ko ho ne ehu se wo ye be ma a ko ho no ne ehu se wo ye be ma a ko na ko solve ntokwa no because o ma me free baby ba ko papa free baby ba ko betimi aye wo na wunim bo sha wo ko sha ya nti e ntimi nko enti wo na wa kire ye se wo na wa kire se yes Boku ntokwa na ekoso no wo benefit free so nti you thought say bibia ntokwa bia ekoso bia no bi benefit free so
Yewura Mahama Ayariga begin say ye ba beto aba eye 2024 election no ukojina Boku ene ye campaign ahodo ekeka nsem a na enya no kore edi gu NPP so etwa atoro tu Yewura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia so se o na etotuo edi bre ni kromfo ema omode kontokwa. 2024 election no. Ukojina Boku ene ye campaign ahodo ekeka nsem a na enya no kore edi gu NPP so etwa atoro tu Yewura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia so se o na etotuo edi bre ni kromfo ema omode kontokwa. 2024 election no. 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 2024 election It is say ya ujina Boku and the cancer asem no. Na me expect you and as a men hwe na me pese ube jinan crying. And a day chopper and a day with the chopper ma ukrum for Boku for. Well, say you Mahama Ayariga unim nyansa. We Jiminy papa. Na ye wa bi say o kasa ansem na gun framam. Edi aguye wura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ho fi. Na ye nto abama ho NDC na mommre power. Ene Nyankopon so hwe say o ma ye wura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia emma magi tumi na enye no korese o na eye saa de nti o di tumi ne ma NDC se mo nye na momfa. Uni ye wura Mahama Penyah simpie so wo Boku eke kan sem se NPP wa ban mu a ene ntokwa aba Boku na NDC wa aban mu dia ntokwa ni Boku ejina ho ka eyi wo hene wo Boku na wasi wo hina wie uwie ya wo de asem kwa akose ye nana otumfo ekon se ne de ono na enkopa chew na wo keka sa ansem no sabe na otumfo no wai ujina Boku ne keka sa ansem no ensem fun sem tantan sem hunu ensem adwen bi anim na wo keka sa ansem no na ye wa adwe se o keka gu ye wura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ne na dodan kwa ban animu ase be na wonim se Nyankopon oba betua NDC fo moka afi na wo Mahama Ayariga wakotena nkan na e pa chewo Boku ne kopa chewo e ko honom ne kopa wo mo chewo ho e ho na agina keka sa agimi sem ne nkwase asem no Boku ne ho na yeso ko gina na pa chewo Boku fo mi nuanom Boku fo ba bia ntokwa na duru no mumma adwobre be Mahama Ayariga de mumma ni nsi kromo so osi ho no ma munhwe ni timfa nhye nanum wo so agimi ni entokwa no mu de muntwa so na mu Mahama Ayariga wo keka nkwase asem no obakro ma muntwa ni timfa nhye nanum so agimi ni panimu wo ho no ma yusu wadwen na fadwen se wagimi a abusuani mienu ekuni nyina no ufa firi ha enso na wo susu jagum enam se wo petumi abedi MP wonti mu susu jagum amentokwa no ano ayedin na anim se o kadi aguye wura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ho fi be na wonim se sansam na wo kan mo ana ebe ha mo jimi enti no o hono ma wo nyusu wadwen ena keka nkwase asem ne ajimi semti no na anim se o ye obi yeso obofo onim se ya dia doati ne be manawia enko hwe no hunhun yi na onim se NPP na ebetena wonti be keka gu mfra mama fa mo adi ene Nyankopon so tue NDC fo ka no de tumi ne ma sha mo nyenko afu no akọ enkran na wote na wo pa chewo o chewo pa no Boku fo ensomu na ensomu china ti so kọ Boku ne kọ pa chewo eno ne ebesom onsem funu nsem hunu na mo ho no ma mu nyusu mo adwen no eniano man twaso a hwe ameka de enka me de obi bia ase oba so no ahye no ama anu aso anya bieti me da mo ase
Ubetu achira wadwene ama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.